In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make two animations happen at the same time in PowerPoint. This simple but powerful technique can really bring your presentations to life, making them more dynamic and engaging for your audience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to animate multiple objects simultaneously, giving your slides a professional and polished look. To get started, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have a presentation, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, create a new presentation to practice these steps. Once your presentation is opened, decide which objects or images you want to animate. You can select a single object by clicking on it, or multiple objects by holding down the Control key and clicking each one. If you want to animate everything on a slide at once, simply press Ctrl+A to select all elements. With your object selected, go to the Animations tab on the toolbar at the top of the screen. This tab contains all of PowerPoint's animation options, including entry, emphasis, and exit effects. Click the drop-down arrow to see the full menu and explore the different animations available. Once you find the effect you like, click on it and it will be applied to your selected object or objects. Now, to make two animations happen at the same time, you'll need the animation pane. On the right side of the Animations tab, click Animation Pane and a panel will open showing all the animations currently applied. This pane acts as your control center, allowing you to manage multiple effects. With your object still selected, go back to the Animations tab and select your second animation while holding down the Shift key. Holding Shift ensures that the new animation is added to the existing one rather than replacing it. Once both animations are listed in the animation pane, they will run simultaneously when you start your presentation. You can adjust the timing, order, and duration of each animation to achieve the perfect effect. This technique is ideal for making slides more visually appealing, highlighting multiple elements at once, or creating a more engaging storytelling experience. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added two animations to your PowerPoint objects at the same time. With this trick, your slides will feel more lively, professional, and interactive. Experiment with different combinations and timings to see how dynamic your presentations can become. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy creating captivating slides that leave a lasting impression on your audience. Happy presenting!